If you've ever tried using remote desktop and saw the message, "Remote desktop can't connect to the remote computer" for one of these reasons, don't panic. This is a common issue, and today we'll break down the possible causes and how to fix them so you can get back to working remotely quickly. The first reason remote desktop may fail to connect is that remote desktop is not enabled on the target computer. On Windows, you need to go to Settings, then System, then Remote Desktop, and make sure Enable Remote Desktop is turned on. If this is off, your connection will be blocked immediately. The second common cause is network issues. If the computer you're trying to connect to isn't powered on, isn't connected to the internet, or is on a different network without proper configuration, remote desktop won't be able to reach it. Double-check that both computers are online and on networks that allow RDP traffic. A third reason is firewall or security settings. Windows Firewall or third-party antivirus software may block remote desktop connections. To fix this, make sure the firewall allows remote desktop through the network. You can do this by searching for "Allow an app through firewall" and ensuring remote desktop is checked for your network type. The fourth reason is incorrect credentials. Remote desktop requires a valid username and password from the target computer. If you mistype the username, forget the password, or try to log in with a local account that doesn't have permission, the connection will fail. Make sure you're using the correct login credentials for the remote PC. Finally, remote desktop requires proper licensing or group policy settings in some versions of Windows, especially for servers or business editions. If the settings aren't configured correctly, you may need to adjust the RDP security layer or contact your system administrator. By checking these 5 areas, remote desktop enabled, network connection, firewall settings, credentials, and system policies, you can usually fix the "can't connect to the remote computer" error quickly. If this video helped you troubleshoot your remote desktop issues, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and thanks for watching.